Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from CHITRA. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, subscribe the channel, write your comments in the comment box, and thanks for encouraging me in more videos. Hope everyone are at good health and get prepared for the rainy season. Replace your wipers with a new one and see that you're prepared for the rainy season, driving in rainy season. Today we're talking about a feature which is getting incorporated in most of the luxury cars and only on the top models, that is ventilated seats. So this ventilated seats, whenever you want to on, just have to put a button, press a button that ons the ventilated seats, which are the fan behind, and it gives you cool air from behind. So you will get very relaxed, very comfortable in driving. But when you are driving on long distances, if there is no ventilated seats, you will get a big sweat patch behind. Every 1 hour you need to get down and walk for some time, and that is how your habit is when you are driving a normal car. So likewise, now today in our automobile industry, in our cars, every car is mandatory with 6 airbags. If this feature of making ventilated seats is become mandatory, everyone will enjoy driving long distances or short distances for not only 2 seats but for all the seats. So everyone will be driving in peak summers like 50 degrees also, 40 to 50 degrees also, that you will enjoy driving for long distances or short distances without that sweat patch behind. And everyone in the car will also be comfortable while they're traveling in a car. So this ventilated seats are also available outside. For your existing car, you can get installed ventilated seats. This is available in most of the market, most of the accessory shops and up market. So please see that this ventilated seats are incorporated in every seat, every brand, every car. Think of cars, think CHITRA cars. Thank you.